Namaste, each and every one of you, and welcome to Great Minds Through Great Words They Have Spoken or Written. The topic for this video is Word, and the first quotation by Shabistari: in an instant rise from time and space, which means become extraordinary, extra normal, beyond average. In an instant rise from time and space, set the world aside and become a world within yourself. So, the topic for this video is world in which we live, but how to handle, how to manage the world, how to connect and how to separate. Separate doesn't mean that go out of existence. Separation from the world means recognize, understand the world you are yourself, the world within you, the world you create around you, and all kinds of things that you do which happens in the world, but you are the doer. So knowing, recognizing, appreciating, understanding yourself is more important than knowing everything in the world, because you are a world in yourself. In an instant, rise from time and space, set the world aside and become a world within yourself. This short quotation by Nisargadatta Maharaj indicates the arrival or close to being arrived in a degree of perfection and self-realization. When we look at the whole world, we see lots of people, lots of events, lots of good and bad things happening, lot of complexity, lot of ignorance, all of that we see in the world. But he says, in my world, nothing ever goes wrong. Could be many reasons. Number one, I do not allow in my world for things to go wrong. I try my best to be on the right side, on the side of virtue and wisdom, and avoid mistakes and wrongdoings. So in my world, nothing ever goes wrong. I have protected and preserved myself away from negative qualities, negative emotions, evil thoughts, and wrong actions. So freedom from all this, that is, in my world, nothing ever goes wrong. And that creativity, that aspiration is explained, implied in this last quotation by Michael Talbot. We are not born into the world. We are not born into the world. We are born into something we make into the world. We are born into something and make that into the world. In other words, I have a great role to play in this world. Either create my own world or change the world to a better world. So this is very ambitious, very lofty way of looking at it. We are not born into the world. The world exists and I am born and it makes no difference. I make a difference and change the world, create a new society. I think that is what we should ponder about and consider as our supreme role and contribution. Thank you for watching and listening, and we'll meet again soon. Until then, Namaskar.